How you doing, YouTube? Talley coming at you tonight, and tonight we're doing the 100 chicken nugget eating competition. We're gonna do 3 teams of 2. These 3 grizzly mammoth beast homies over here are gonna be the captains. He's gonna be the captain. They're ready to go. We're gonna pick an order from left to right. We're gonna walk in, order 300 chicken nuggets. First one, eat them all wins.
Mr. Captain.
Woo!
Stop, right. Drop.
Damn!
The pig! The Arabian. Woo! Wait, I'm the Arabian, right? Yeah!
Alright guys, we got our team. Alright guys, we're waiting on the chicken nugget order, and low-key, how pissed do you think they are?
Huh?
How pissed do you think they are?
Oh my god, that they have to make 300 chicken McNuggets?
Yes.
Pretty quick.
See, they're pissed. They're pissed. Guys, who's ready for this?
He's not.
I'm not. Yeah, they aren't. Alright guys, these are the competitors of the chicken nugget.
You are the worst review person ever.
This man has a beard and he's part bear, for Christ's sake. I just want to thank these 2, our new friends from Texas.
Hey!
They're the only ones that approve of this. McDonald's, thank you. Wow. It's a pleasure meeting you guys. Bow your heads. Lord of the chicken nuggets. I want to praise us and praise our stomachs. It's the 100 chicken nuggets going down here tonight. May the best and fattest team win. Nuggets on 3. Nuggets on 3.
Please tell me you're
Quietly. You 1, 2, 3.
Put my dick in your mouth!
Go. Oh god, I didn't even know that was it. I'm gonna puke.
I'll eat your skin. Look, I'm really fucking serious.
hungry for that win.
2 hours later.
5-minute update. How you feeling?
Great.
How you feeling, Team STD?
Great. Where are your boxes go?
We finished 2.
Just let me down right now.
Team Owen Bear 2, how you feeling?
Well, I feel like this is really easy.
You want to do some of mine then?
Who wants to go fill this up with water?
He's just like,
Anybody?
where's
Puts
my
his finger in his
water?
tongue, he's like,
Where's my water, dude?
it's over here. God damn, nobody? Please.
I feel like I could go take a piss and still be back before you guys finish the ball.
Do it. Who wants to help me win and fill us up with water? He's not winning.
Yo, you pissing bottles, dude. Dude, you better pick it the fuck up.
Favoritism. Oh, I'm better now. Let's go.
I told you.
It's liquid, right? I'll drink it.
Pick the right girl.
We need to touch for real.
I run on my food.
Come on, you gotta eat 8 nuggets like I'm facing. Favoritism. Black Lives Matter. Yo. Bad.
Don't lose that, dude.
Done? That's Mountain Team, alright.
Yeah, you guys are gonna carry.
This was Chinese food.
I don't even think Timo ate 20.
You sound stupid.
Go ninja run.
Yo, okay, to be honest, you lost. We'll just run around the lobby.
I had 3.5.
You were literally sitting there like this.
I hit 30.
Timo was literally sitting like this.
You know what the stupid thing was? We were going to do 100 apiece.
Yeah, what?
Take a lap.
I'm running. I'm fine with
I mean, you
that.
guys know
Take
what?
him by 2.
Grab a handful and just go, man. Grab a handful.
I'm going to take this shit. We got 10 left.
Do it.
Bro, grab a handful.
Dude,
Five
you need
each.
it.
Yo, watch this.
No, look at their box. You need to clutch right now.
5 each right now.
You need to clutch, homie.
Look at my teammate choking.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, man, I believe in you.
Timo, can't let him. Ow! Do you believe in miracles and fairies?
Yo, check this out.
No.
Give him a chicken nugget, you win. Give him another chicken nugget, you win.
Yo, that's crazy. Yo, come second.
It's gotta go down. It's gotta go down.
No.
You're out of it!
So what, 5 nuggets deep?
Get it down, bro.
Get it down.
Bro, it's not over till it's...
It's not over. It's not over. Gotta go. Gotta go and stay down. It's gotta go and stay down.
You lose.
It's gotta go.
You spit, you lose.
He wants to put it up.
Oh, go down. GG's report score.
That close, man.
GG's report score.
That's like tying in a hard point, man.
It's not fair, man. This isn't fair. Look at how balanced we are. That's not fair. They both got carried. Tally ate like 20. You ate like 10. We both ate like 40 something. Jesus.
It's over.
Drew, you eat all that Chinese food all the time.
Tally, am I still filming?
No one's taking Nugget.
We were technically almost kind of close, but not really.
Almost less than 19 minutes, boys.
I'm sweating.
There was like a bug right there.
I think we have to worry about going like.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, we should have.
Last place, Team SC's
At the end of the day,
dead weight in both cod and chicken nuggets.
wow.
Yo, that's his nugget.
Those are yours, you faggot.
I gotta do a piece by piece. I feel like I just put that one like
You done?
Yeah.
And that's it, ladies and gentlemen.
Looks like we're taking
It is
2 hours.
over.
I'm gonna take this back.
Yeah, hold on. My man. Good shit, homie. We got 95 down. 95. We couldn't do the rest.
got a shit.
80 down.
Tokes and Timo. This man like 80. MVP for Give Me Water. Thank you. What's your name?
Sarah.
Sarah. Thank you, Sarah, for everything.
Lord, it's better.
I just gonna die.
Not placing wise, but
Guys, this was the chicken nugget eating challenge of 100. I'm sweating grease, shitting chickens.
We will see you on the toilet in 10 minutes. Peace out, YouTube.
Peace out, YouTube. We see you in the toilet in 10 minutes. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed all this. Like, comment, subscribe below. And as always, Tally's out. Fuck, dude. Someone carry me.